Hi, I'm George from Renfrew, and I've been asked by Canadian Tire to test the new Fiskars Pro quick blade change snap-off utility knife. There's a lot of nice features about this utility knife. It fits good in my hand. It's got a rubber base and it feels very secure and safe. It's got a quick change blade. You just slide it out, remove the blade to replace the new one. You slide it back in, and then you flip it over, set your blade, flip it over, and tighten it. And that locks the blade in any position, which makes it safe that the blade doesn't move in and out. Another feature that I like is it's got quick change, so when the blade finally does get dull, you just slide the blade into the holder and snap it off without cutting your fingers. And then just replace the blade into the back. Overall, I feel that with a fully lifetime warranty on this Fiskars product, that it's a very good tool, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone.